Study of drawing and specification. Dimension tolerances has to be studied. The study of standards, material grade, hardness, micro location. These are normally not given. We have to ask the basically. Normally these are not given in the drawing. Some Cummins or Telco that gives the drawing location, but some of the clients they do not give the location of the harness or micro. But we have to follow with the marketing and their purchase department to clarify this. Radiography if it is there, the test bar requirements, separately cast or from casting or some drawing of that test bar has to be freezed. Surface finish requirements, heat code requirements, those are always different. Size, location, heat code size is also important, heat code location is also important. Sometimes what happens, we provide the heat codes and that comes on their resting phase while machining. So that creates the problem basically. So heat code location, size has to be decided during the development only, at the starting only. The general wall thickness, what is the tolerance basically, plus, minus. CPK value, those are required for TS. In TS it is must basically, like mold hardness, casting hardness or scratch hardness of shell core. These are the normally taken care of, but it has to be decided while the process FMEA or at starting only. Selection of process, selection of box size, then painting, paint standard, whether scratch test is or not there, heat test is there, all the tests, everything has to be finalized before the doing the layout or pattern layout basically. Type of packing, PPAP requirements, there are different type of PPAPs are there basically. Study of sample casting or solid model, study of non-standard correction. I have one example later than this. Normally this model which is given to us and casting drawing, there are always difference. We should have a study has to be done at starting only. Normally what happens, we prepare the pattern as per model and later we land up in a problem. So sample casting study, that's why I said we should ask their purchase man to give us the sample casting, and sample casting study is most important basically. Study of non-standard contractions. In some areas metal is added, in some areas due to fouling problem metal is removed. Those are to be taken care of during the sample casting by checking the sample casting which is on running, which is used regularly, that has to be brought. Compare the dimension. If changes are customer approval, for that approval, starting of the development ask for drawing revision. This happens many times basically. Are you agree? This happens. Solid model is different, casting is different. This is the Jeter tractor crankcase. This is the liner bore basically, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 liner bores. This is the example basically. ये cylinder block, the Jeter crankcase cylinder block. Why I am giving the example? These are the non-standard corrections which are done basically. Non-standard correction, not in the drawing, but for use of practically it is required basically. This is the liner. Now you know all the tractor crankcases are liner is fitted over here. It's a cut section basically. Here the rubber ring is there, so that water should not go here and there. These are the 2 rubber rings, and this is the section. This is the chamfer is there basically. This dimension is about 180 mm and that this dimension is about 140 mm. liner OD will be around 100 mm. So this sealing ring, if it is there, if chamfer is there, 3 into 45. If this chamfer basically due to dimensional variation, tolerances, contraction allowances, reference point what we are giving, from that reference point this dimension how much it is kept. Due to this all variation, this chamfer doesn't came properly. Pore parting is there in all the cylinder block liner. Pore parting is there. At pore parting we do the rubbing, we put the paste. Due to all this, this chamfer doesn't 3 into 45 doesn't came. Rubber ring OD is 6 mm. If it is 3 mm chamfer is there, that rubber ring will not cut. If chamfer is less, that rubber ring will cut and the casting will be rejected for such a simple reason. What we did, we added here 2 mm directly the material to control or to minimize or to accept the all process variations, contraction and all these. This we had done. Later, this I had done in 1985. Now you about Sonalika tractor, they have taken the crankcase, this crankcase only. Latest drawing which I have seen, this was taken care of, and that is I have confirmed basically. Are you getting this? You have any question about this, you can ask. This is most important. This is non-standard correction. Weight of casting 3-cylinder block crankcase mean 130 kg weight is there. For such a minor chamfer not there or less chamfer, nobody can afford to reject the casting. Either both sides, or casting or machining. Machining value is also much high of the crankcases basically, because this is the last operation basically, almost last operation. And normally all the defects are coming or inspection, at final inspection only that will come out basically. So this is the live example which I have faced, and now it is corrected basically. That is the non-standard correction other than drawing basically. These are the normal methoding point of view basically. Methoding point of view, this is the basin, this is unscrew filter, this is the highest point of the casting. While doing the methoding, from this point to this point, highest point, at least 3 to 4 inch pouring head has to be there. Pouring head has to be there about 3 to 4 inch minimum. This is the highest point of casting. Now you can see this is mode vent, this is the core vent. Bottom side also thickness of sand should be there as per the casting geometry, casting weight. These are the 2 points to be taken care of during the design of pattern, basically pattern and methoding layout basically. Filter, runner, choke, core print. These are the normal pictures given basically. These are the standard all high pressure molding line standard. Dual plate is there, match plate, gas vents, core print, drag pattern, secondary runner, core print. Some of the ready to use, you can say. Important guidelines for the tooling. All the bosses are to be kept. This rule applies for the casting weighing more than 15 kg or 20 kg. Because casting like a cover, front end cover or top end cover, length width is more. We have to keep 1 mm radially the bosses, because 1 mm center shift is allowed. 1 mm center shift is allowed, and you take any tolerances, 1 mm is always allowed. So to get the correct wall thickness after doing the drilling basically, initially we should keep at least 1 to 1.5 mm radially the boss, so that we can get minimum thickness after doing drilling and tapping. Normally what happens basically, we give 5 casting, we give 10 casting, production starts, and after 100 or 200 casting, what happens? 10 casting rejected due to the lower thickness. This happens basically. During development, everybody is in a hurry. After 2 months, 3 months, basically, these problems comes. So we should take care of, and this we can do it. We should take permission in writing, basically. Nowadays, in all the MNCs, supplier quality assurance manager are there. Those are working in the foundry. All the supply SQA people, engineer, are working in foundry. They know very well. They can give the permission, but we should ask them, basically. That is my point. Study of machining sequence, that is most important, basically. Hold, rest, locate, maintain. It has to be studied. Normally what happens, my flop is there, my ingot is there, fettling excess, less, that create basically problem, basically. 1 mm center shift will create 100%, that deviation will be transferred to the 100% casting. So that this study of machining sequence is also important. Pattern model to be checked with above references. Why this I have said, basically. I given later one example also. This is a breakdown. Normally holding is over here, this thing is over here, and this dimension is maintained while machining. But this has to be studied, and this dimension, according to this dimension, this space allowance, this space allowance, this space allowance has to be cross-checked. If 1 mm extra metal is over here, basically, in pattern 1 mm machining extra metal is there, less metal is there, that will reflect all the machining in both the directions. If we keep here a 3 mm allowance, if 1 mm is there, here variation is there, that will reflect over here also. So that's why I said that pattern model has to be checked with above references, basically. 1 mm or 1.5 mm shifts all the dimensions, basically. Are you getting me? If you have any doubt, no problem, you can ask. Because this is the most important. Yeah.
The variation you told me that in one direction. If the casting, because the center hole is there, so if it is shifting left side 1 mm, then probably how should connect with the casting?
Yeah, I'll go, no problem. I have one example over there, I will tell you. I got this is the cover, basically. You can see drill shift is there, main center line is there. From reference point XYZ, any machining will have 6 points. First position 3, second position 2, third position 1. So all these 6 reference points basically are to be studied. Now in this case what happened, lengthwise at resting point 1.5 mm extra metal, not extra metal. We can say what happened basically during the scanning, tolerances are given. During the scanning, tolerances are given, and what the scanning shows, if it is okay within tolerance, it should be gray. If it is not in red, nobody sees. During scanning, if it is within limit, that will not be shown in the red case. But if it is within 1.5 mm, all these drill holes will be shifted. No. So what the thing has to be done basically, this bore center and this bore center, from that bore center, that reference points in this direction and in this direction, at what mm they are kept in the fixture. Those are to be studied, and we should see that during the first sample casting, those references are matching with the machining fixture. This happens many times basically. Everybody says that my casting is okay, scanning is okay. Then this 1.5 mm create the problem. 1.5 mm is within the tolerance. So who is at fault? To avoid this, basically main center line of pattern, then fixture center line, those are to be matched basically. Am I right? Many people are faced like this. I feel that basically. This happens basically. Machine shop people always say कि we are always okay. फाउंड्री वाला कुछ उसको कुछ मालूम नहीं, गोली मारो डाल दो. वो तो कॉमन इंडिया में कहीं भी जाओ, इंडिया में भी कहीं भी जाओ वही है. Because I have gone from HMT Pinjore to Coimbatore, Chennai, all the engine manufacturers and truck manufacturer, tractor manufacturer, I have faced lot of problems basically, personally. These are clubbed together. I am sharing the points basically. When I remember basically, I think nobody is from Menon here. We were supplying the castings to Escorts, 2-cylinder block. They were not doing the averaging. They were just we were giving the center lines basically. They are not matching the center lines. Center line during averaging we were giving, but while machining they were not matching. About 5% reaction was there basically. I said ki do the averaging, put the two dial walls, one spot press point, and exactly on which machine has to be done. I told ki this is the machine, you put here, you can do it, and I am very happy to say that adopted it. Later we saved 5% reaction on dimension account. Only on dimension account we are facing 5% reaction. These are the tolerances which I have given. It may vary to foundry to foundry. Don't worry, you will get the presentation. Everybody, cast iron, AGN, steel, ARPA, high pressure molding line, hand molding, shell molding, NOBE, CO2 and core. Area wise we have to select the contraction allowances basically. ARPA will be different, HPML will be different. Then hand molding will be different, shell molding will be different basically. Academically, we have to select the contraction. Important guidelines for the tooling. Chaplet pad has to be provided one piece during pattern making only for core and mold. Now VNC, CNC are there. We can get exact location of the chaplet in mold and core. Normally what happens, we provide the chaplet tighter that doesn't match, core is tilted, core out is there, rejection is there. This happens basically. So we should use this basically. To balance the core, these are necessary to provide basically. But if we provide the one piece pad, that appearance is also good and we will not face problems during the development. Core shooting locations to be decided, core print to be as per weight of core and height of core. Gauges, chill location, chill pad to be designed with demands basically. Chill is the last solution basically. Mold venting. For the inside ARPA, thumb rule suggests that heavily core casting venting area should be 3 times that of choke area. Choke area means which is the minimum in the gating system. It should be 3 times basically for heavily core casting. और non-core or small core, it should be 1.5 to 2 times. For then it may vary as per geometry and section thickness of a caster. Core venting location, metal entries to be avoided. Self grease sand sealing as best of sealing ring. Clearance between pattern paint and core paint. While design of paint consideration, core paint thickness also needs to be taken care of. Core paint thickness. Normally it will be about. This also for dial button for ARPA, dial button also needs to be provided, so that reverse closing will not be possible. If it is a non-core job, sometimes happens basically. Pouring here already I told, mold location should be away from the pouring basin. Normally if it is not that, the metal goes from the pouring basin to the here. Avoid mismatch of screw and well screw. Pouring basin and here. Look at what we do. This is the pouring. This is the parting. This is the well. This mismatch has to be avoided. Otherwise, sand directly goes basically. Filter cup. It will cover all the holes of filter. Normally, many times this happens basically. Filter cover. Diameter of the it is a 50 mm filter, this has to be kept 46 mm only. If it is not kept, all the holes will not be covered. So will not get the sufficient metal to the nail. These are the minor points but most important points. This happens why basically we take much time doing the pattern making, finalizing order, everything is done. And once the pattern comes, then everybody is in hurry. We don't give sufficient time for the gating basically. That's why this happens. Thickness of filter, pouring time and choke area, AFS getting a risering book is there. That is very good. I am using it basically. Also the small case study is there basically. In the foundry, geometry is most important. Cast iron is there, ASEAN is there, geometry is important basically. थोड़ा clear नहीं हो. This was the breakup about the ASEAN casting about. I don't know why this has happened. This is the parting line, this is the riser location, and this thickness basically. I draw a sketch, no problem. Section thickness was much bigger basically, and this general was basically of just 6.2 mm. This is the casting, this is the parting line. Here the general wall was of 6 mm, here the section was about 40 mm. Here the riser was there. Because of this cannot be fitted. About 3-4 months it was tried. But later what I had done it, I have provided a blind chill over here. Blind chill over here. Because that this thickness is 6.2 mm, parting is over here, pattern is prepared. We have to supply the casting within 10 days. There are no time basically. This is the core box, this is the core, and this is the chill you can see. This is the chill, this is the shell core. Manual basically, if we keep the blind chill, basically, the thickness of shell should be 3 to 4 mm max, not more than that. Please note that. Thickness of shell should be 3 to 4 mm. No-bake and other things are not allowed because they doesn't remain. Only shell is possible. For shell, 3 to 4 mm thickness of shell. Accordingly, we have to design. We get good good effect of chill, correct effect of chill, we can say. Casting will not be hard, but the porosity problem will go. After that, no shrinkage of the 300 core numbers per month, it is going on. Why this is given ki we have to study the drawing, basically. Study the drawing, geometry is important, section thickness is important, it was a AGN basically. Quality guidelines for new casting development. Bowling to be done each and every dimension. Normally this is done. Everybody does this. But each and every dimension has to be studied. It is in a tolerance or not, plus, minus. That has to be studied. Study of variation dimension considering tolerances. Fully machine casting each and every drill thickness around the bosses to be revealed. These are also most important. Many casting, bigger casting basically will have this problem. Drilling depth, tapping depth is also much important basically. This is the box. This should be at least 4 mm for the customer AGN. What happens basically, sometimes it comes over here, it is 1 to 1.5 mm, production starts. But due to other variation, basically, someone has put extra core paste. This happens basically. Variation in casting, variation in machining. If we club together 1.5 mm and there 1 mm, 2 mm and core Chapman 1 mm. See, if all these are clubbed 4 mm, this will be 0. So this has to be studied. Once the casting is machined, that's why I said fully machine casting, every drill thickness around the boss. This thickness also. Normally what happens basically, this is the this thickness is also important. If variation goes, what I have shown in the earlier picture basically. This happens basically. Quality control man change, inspector change. Naturally he has to show something. He will inspect in a different way and we will end up in a problem basically. That's why I kept 1 mm extra metal has to be provided basically. These are the practical guidelines. Those are not in a book. Scanning already I explained basically. Tolerance is given during machining, dimension machining gets shifted, correlate machining reference to central line, 3 axis has to be matched. For mass production casting or any casting, it doesn't take much time basically, but this has to be done. Casting to be sectioned, PDR report. Normally in PDR report basically dimension which are to be taken basically, that has to be mutually decided. But what I feel, general wall has to be added, total length, width and a height across parting dimensions has to be checked. My suggestion to all the foundrymen will be, after shot blasting machine, hip hop casting is there, go there, 5 mm, do the inspection, visual inspection only, and see the thickness of fin, parting line thickness around the bore, inside bore, drag bore, coke bore, see the fin thickness. If fin thickness is more, that is the alert. core is shifted, mismatch is there, or parting line shift is there, swelling is there, something is there. If fin thickness varies, there is a variation. That has to be seen. It takes average 10 to 15 minutes every day. In the morning, if you see, we can have a look, and that will help a lot basically. If across parting dimensions are changed, everything gets changed. Weight also more basically. Metallurgy, chemistry, charge mix to be chemistry and charge mix I have said. Not only chemistry, charge mix is also important basically. Charge mix, what you say ki casting supplying to the especially like Parker or Eaton, those are supplying. Those are to be taken care of because their working pressure is about 200-400 kg per cm square, where open grain porosity is not allowed. In that case, charge mix is most important basically. Macro requirements, allowing elements adjusted to be customer quality, and costing also I written which are to the optimum. Charge mix should be optimum. If not specified our chemistry location, spacebar sizes to be communicated and approval to be taken in writing basically. Cut section to be kept, reserved for long term basis. Once first sample casting has to be kept in the marking room. That should not be thrown away, because after 1 or 2 years some changes are there, then we can face the problem. At that time we can say this is the first casting, we are done as per this only. Or sometimes what happens, if core box is made new, parting is changed, at that time some dimension get changed, so that we can compare it basically. Sometimes fouling is there, those can be correlated basically. Core box system, handling face and resting face or of core print is must. This is the core. This is the resting face. This is the handling face. This is most important. This handling face width should be at least 10 to 15 mm width, so that core will rush over there. If height is more, that core out will not be there. Core will perfectly stand over there. This is most important to be followed basically while doing the layout. Core paint thickness, periodic inspection of guide bush, parting line face damage, clamping, air vents. For shell core boxes, basically, coils required for heating are to be provided in the inbuilt to reduce the energy. This is most important. If we do not provide it, we have to provide 6 heater on this side, 6 heater on this side. If we do this, only 4 heaters will work. With 4 heaters, we can do the core making. We can reduce the cost basically. 4 gauges are also there basically. Guidelines for trial for new casting. Fill up trial data. During development, data has to be trial, conduct all process parameters and results. Prepare method card with all getting details, part details, methodological details, sand mold core details. Go on changing the method card, allowing whatever changes you have to do during trial. Make it a live document. And this is the most important. Once the rejection achieves 5 to 7%, that part has to be handed over till this is the baby of development department. PPAP lot has to be cleared. At least 200 to 400 numbers are to be produced by development department, and then the job has to be handed over, so that all process parameters are taken care of basically. These are the simulation case studies. These I have given the checkpoints. All these checkpoints are covered in all the points are covered in the checkpoint basically. Purpose. Thank you. काय शंका असेल तर विचारा.
ही सर्व प्रेझेंटेशन आपल्याला मेल काय दिलं जातं सर्व प्रेझेंटेशन तुमच्या मेलवरती मिळेल.
You will get all
All the presentation will be mailed on your mail ID, so do not write it or worry about the content. Mail to you on mail ID given by us.
मोबाईल नंबर मराठीत बोलू शकते ना सर.
Hello. आता 5 to 7% लेवल BJP डेव्हलपमेंटची निधी आहे. तर आता आज आपल्याला ड्रॉइंग केलेलं असताना त्याला 4 दिवसात पाठवून पाहिजे.
ते मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंटला सांगायचं आपण.
मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंटचं तुम्ही ते काय करते. जर तुम्ही 4 दिवसात पॅकिंग नाही दिला तर तुमचा ऑर्डर ड्राईव्ह करा. तर या सिच्युएशनमध्ये आपण काय केलं पाहिजे.
सगळ्यांनी म्हणून उभारून काढायचे काय दुसरं काय प्रत्येकाने ओके येतच आहे ते करत आहे तिथं बरोबर आहे. काय करायचं मग आता कस्टमरला घालवायचं नसतं तर करायला पाहिजे.
कस्टमर आहे ना.
नाही खरं आहे ते. पण माझा सांगण्याचा उद्देश काय आहे की डेव्हलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंटची जी आहे ना फक्त ढकलायला नाही पाहिजे हा उद्देश आहे. काय होतं एकदा पाक कासिंग काढले ओके आलं की बघा तुमचं तुम्ही असं नाही पाहिजे. त्यासाठी मी लिहिलं आहे मुद्दाम लिहिलं आहे ठरवून लिहिलं आहे ते बरोबर आहे ना. झाला जॉब डेव्हलप ओके आला.
Sir, I want some more explanation regarding the size of the print. Generally, what happens when we talk of cutting the cost in code? When we talk of cutting the cost of code, everyone tries to reduce the code prints. Whether that is correct or whether that is a good way of reducing
नहीं,
the cost.
you can provide the metric why to cut on the print and according to the geometry,
Yes.
weight of the core, you have to decide the print.
Any calculation to the surface or the main
Nine.
core length.
Nine.
Because we find many times when we go around, people have very small bricks. Now bricks is part of welding as you said, and is not the painting. It's importantly
But
included.
if you paint it, we face the problem of crash, no? Hand crash.
Yeah. Thank you.
काय गोडसे?
पेंटिंग साठी म्हणत होता जे कोरला लोकांना जेव्हा आपण पेंटिंग करतो त्याचं तेच आपण प्रेझेंट करावं लागतं.
Point two.
पाहिजे
Just now said that safety issue in that case you have shown one case study. Same issue we are facing in our fabric casting. That machining people are telling that our fixture is okay.
Always. नेहमी बरोबरच असतं. कधी चुकतच नाही ते.
तर पण काय झालं साहेब माहिती का आता ते काय म्हणतात की मशीनिंग मॉडेल तर मशीनिंग मॉडेल प्रमाणे तुम्ही सुपरइम्पोज करून कास्टिंग चेक करा. आणि आपल्याकडे कास्टिंग फाईलचं कास्टिंग मॉडेल आहे, त्याप्रमाणे आपण कास्टिंग चेक केलं, सुपरइम्पोज केलं आणि त्याला ते फीडबॅक केलं. तर ते मध्ये मशीनिंगच्या मॉडेलप्रमाणे तुम्ही सुपरइम्पोज करून आम्हाला फीडबॅक द्या. तर ह्या सिच्युएशनमध्ये काय केलं पाहिजे?
पण कसं होतं आहे, 2-3 मुद्दे त्याच्यामध्ये. जे मशीनिंग करणारा माणूस कोण आहे, इनहाऊस आहे का? इनहाऊस जर असेल, मालक एक असेल, तर मग त्याच्यामुळं होणारे परिणाम जे आहेत, व्हॉट आर द चेंजेस, व्हॉट यू आर डुईंग द चेंजेस, दे विल रिफ्लेक्ट समवेअर एल्स ना बेसिकली. दॅट इज ऑल्सो टू बी स्टडी.
कास्टिंग मॉडेल सुपरइम्पोज केलं, कास्टिंग ओके वाटतं. पण मशीनिंग मॉडेलला तर
तेच सांगितलं ना मी की करायला पाहिजे सुरुवातीला. मशीनिंग होल्ड रेस्ट लोकेट मेंटेन जे आहे ते अगोदर करायला पाहिजे. हे होतं, असं घडतंच. पहिल्यांदाच सांगितलं ना मी. पॅटर्नची सेंटर लाईन पासून ते पिक्चरचं माप इथंपर्यंत सांगितलं. दॅट विल डिपेंड ऑन टाईप ऑफ कास्टिंग. लहान मोठं किती आकाराचं, कोर नॉन कोर, त्याच्यावर अवलंबून राहील. पण आता 1 महिन्यात तुम्ही द्यायला पाहिजे. लहान कास्टिंग तर 1 महिन्यात द्यायला पाहिजे. पॅरलल सगळ्या गोष्टी चालू पाहिजे. म्हणजे कोरबाचं काम चालू आहे, पॅटर्न चालू आहे, मॅचपेटचं झालं आहे, इथून मॅचपेट आली, बसवली, इथून कोरबाच आला, बसवला, कास्टिंग काढलं, कट केलं, मेथडिंग त्याच वेळेस पॅरलल. अगोदर माउंटिंग करायच्या अगोदर मेथडिंग करायला पाहिजे. हां, नंतर काय होतं, माउंटिंग करतात, मग मेथडिंगला त्या माणसाला वेळच मिळत नाही आणि लाकडाचं पेंटिंग घासाघाशी काहीतरी करून देऊन टाकायचं, असं होतं. ते चुकीचं आहे. पहिले मेथडिंग करा. म्हणजे रंजरबारचा साईज किती होणार, अंतर किती ठेवणार, रायझरचा साईज किती होणार, रायझरच्या बाजूला 30 mm जागा आहे का नाही, हे सगळं विचारात घ्यायला पाहिजे. फार वेळ लागत नाही हो, पण ते थोडं विलपॉवरनी केलं ना होत आहे. कायमचा त्रास भेटते ना.
सर, क्रॉस वन इंडस्ट्री केस, त्याच्यामध्ये कंपोनंट हा स्कॅनिंगमध्ये रिजेक्ट झाला होता, बट असेंब्लीमध्ये बरोबर बसला.
म्हणून स्कॅनिंगवर खरं माझा फार विश्वास नाही. बरं, ॲग्री.
वेन दिस केस वॉज स्टडीड तर याच्यामध्ये असं लक्षात आलं की स्कॅनिंगमध्ये काही अलाइनमेंट टेक्निक्स आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वन अलाइनमेंट टेक्निक इज बेस्ट, ज्याच्यामध्ये सगळ्या बाजूने ॲव्हरेजिंग करून पार्ट हा बरोबर आहे की नाही त्याचं रिव्हिजन पाहिलं जातं. आणि दुसरी टेक्निक अशी आहे की कस्टमरला काही क्रिटिकल फीचर्स हवे असतात आणि त्या फीचर्सशी रिलेटेड डेव्हिएशन पाहिलं जातं. ज्यावेळी आपण असं बघू, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये काही 3 पॉईंट्स टेक्निक्स, प्लेन आणि सेंटर, त्या टाईपमध्ये बघितलं तर आपलं रिजेक्टेड कास्टिंग सुद्धा ओके होऊ शकतो. हे स्कॅनिंगच्या अलाइनमेंट टेक्निकवरती पण डिपेंडेड आहे.
ते स्कॅनिंगवाला किती हुशार आहे आणि स्कॅनिंगप्रमाणे आपला स्वतःचा स्टडी पाहिजे. इच अँड एव्हरी डायमेन्शनचा स्टडी पाहिजे. म्हणजे ड्रॉइंगमध्ये पाहिजे किती आलंय, किती आणि त्याचा होणारा परिणाम.
आणि बऱ्याचदा एंड कस्टमरला सुद्धा माहित नसते की एक्झॅक्टली कुठली टेक्निक
त्यांचं स्कॅनिंगची पद्धत वेगळी, आपली स्कॅनिंगची पद्धत वेगळी, असं सुद्धा होतं आहे. फार वेळा, खूप वेळ झाला. म्हणून ते घडलेलं म्हणूनच टाकलंय मी. इथून सगळं ओके, पण तिथे गेलं की प्रॉब्लेम. स्टँडर्डाइज म्हणून म्हणलं की मॉडेल तुम्ही कास्टिंगचं मॉडेल, पॅटर्नचं मॉडेल आणि मशीनिंगचं हे म्हणजे 6 जे आहेत ना, फर्स्ट पोझिशनला 3, दुसऱ्याला 2, तिसऱ्याला 1, 6 पॉईंट जे आहे ते तुमचे हे पाहिजे, करेक्ट पाहिजे. त्याशिवाय ते होतच नाही. डायमेन्शनली कसं आहे, बाउंड्री डायमेन्शन आणि मेटलर्जी दोन्ही रिलेशन नेहमी 100% असतात. डायमेन्शनला गाडी आणली की प्रोडक्शन चालू होत नाही, मेटलर्जिकली गाडी आणली की प्रोडक्शन चालू होतं. बाकीच्याला कसं 10-20% असते ते खपलं जातं, पण ह्याला चालत नाही. ह्याला परफेक्टच करावं लागतं. डायमेन्शनचं स्टडी भरपूर करावं लागतं.
प्रायव्हेट कास्टिंग करतो आपण, तर मिनिमम बॅच किती आहे? 5
नाही, पहिले 5 ते ओके आल्यानंतर मग तुम्ही 50-25 असं करा. डेव्हलपमेंट जे पहिले आहे ना, पहिले 5, मग 25, 50, 100, मग 500. 4-5 पायऱ्या चढायला पाहिजेत बघा. 5 पायऱ्या पाहिजेत. का माहिती का, आम्ही म्हणजे शिवाजीमध्ये होतो आम्ही 74 ते 92, 18 वर्ष आमची फाउंड्री प्रॉफिटमध्ये होती. आणि एक जेंटल म्हणून वाढीतनं आले आणि हे पायऱ्या पाळल्या नाहीत. 3 वर्षात आमची फाउंड्री लॉसमध्ये गेली. 5 कास्टिंग उके आले की 500 काढले, 5 उके आले की 500 काढले. त्यामुळे आमची फाउंड्रीचं नाव बदनाम झालं. म्हणून मी फक्त लक्षात ठेवलं की 5, 25, 50, 100, 3-4 पायऱ्या तर पाहिजेतच. त्याशिवाय नाही करत. दुनिया काय, कोणी काय का म्हणत, आम्ही वी हॅव फेस द प्रॉब्लेम. 18 वर्ष प्रॉफिटमध्ये असलेली फाउंड्री खड्ड्यात गेली अक्षरशः.
प्रश्न असा आहे, when you are going to deal as a marketing manager, I have to say the customer as well as the process control. त्याच्यामध्ये मार्केटिंग किंवा एनी कस्टमर इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस बिकॉज आय हॅव बीन ऑल्सो अंडरगॉन द एक्सपिरियन्स इन मेहनत फाउंड्री and also machine shop. Both sections are handled by me. But today, it is somewhere the ground structure, as you rightly pointed out, whenever I produce the casting, you told that there should be consistency in your model or whatever wanting to do, patterns, prototypes, process inertia. And I have to do the layout. Probably as per my idea is concerned, the layout comes with mission, X, Y, Z. You need to train to the budding engineer. So that whenever they want to do the marking, I am confident as a founder man, my casting is within 1 mm or maybe 2 mm, but the papers are going on the deviations. This is somewhat killing the machine shop people. Then we cannot adjust the casting if I take a 25 pack. Currently my headache is that whenever I go to machine shop, every casting, go into the output that is good. Not one component, N number of. What are your guidelines to overcome this loss of production and customer dissatisfaction to save the time and money?
You have to be tough. Counterman has to be tough. सोडायचं नाही. मला घेऊन चला, मी येतो कोण असेल ते. नो प्रॉब्लेम. नाही, बिकॉज काय माहिती का, मी हे काम फार खूप वेळा केलेलं आहे. दिस टाईप ऑफ वर्क आय डन व्हेरी मच. राईट फ्रॉम अशोक लेलँड टू HMT टू काफे, एव्हरीवेअर द प्रॉब्लेम इज देअर.
कॅज्युअल प्रोग्रामचं काय होते, समजा व्हेरिएशन आलं नाही, एक एम एम आहे ना, पुढं घ्या, एक एम तो 2 एम होते. मशीन शॉपमध्ये ते एस्पेशली ट्युनिंगमध्ये सुद्धा अडचण आहे.
हॅलो
हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो. This is the problem always, but your owner and marketing man, they should sort out. Basically, it is when the casting is within tolerance, that has to be tried, consistent. But what I said, X, Y, Z, these are the reference points. Basically, from main center line, these reference points are to be corrected with the fixture. Once you have to do it, later not necessary. It is must. You cannot hide it or lose it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Guidelines for new development will be really helpful to implement at our workshop and at work area. I invite Mr. Bhushan and Mr. Tejanian for their presentation on FRP family resources. thanks for encouragement and again the session will start.